Hello everyone. So this screencast is going to show you how to publish your assessment. They are posted in your course, in your math courses, but the directions that I'm going to be using, if you go to your groups, choose any grade level, you're going to see that there's these directions. It's going to be in your update section, and these are the directions. You're just going to, open those directions. These are the directions that you can use to publish your assessment. I'm also going to give you the screencast to show you how to do it. So when you go into Schoology, you're going to find your course. You'll notice that your assessment in the math section is grayed out, and that's because it's not published and ready to go. So you're going to go over here to this gear, right? And you're going to click that down, and your options are edit, publish, and move. You're going to click edit, and here's where you're going to set up your due date. Make sure your due date is within your testing window. You're going to set your point value for your assessment. So the third grade assessment is 20 points. So I'm going to set this to 20 points. Over here, you have to enable submissions, which means students will be able to now make submissions on that test. You're going to make sure that this stays disabled. You don't want them to have to type in a password. Here's where you'll check your grading category, and of course, you're going to want to click major because it is a district assessment. And your grading options, kindergarten, first, second, and third uses the BCPS Primary Achievement Scale, and then your fourth and fifth grade teachers would be using our 50-point grading scale. So you're going to click that. You're going to make sure that it's the correct factoring. So here is where we're going to click this. And then when we go to save changes, we're going to make sure everything's correct here, 20 points. Click grading options as well, and make sure this is in the right marking period. So marking period 1. This will be 0, so you're just going to set it to 1.00. And so it looks like everything's good. Enable, make sure this is disabled. This is set to major. Marking period 1, 1.00 for my factor. My grading scale is correct. I'm going to click this button right here, and it's now published to students. I'm going to save my changes, and now it is published to students. It's now in the correct, it's in my grade book, in the correct marking period, and I am good to go. If you have any questions, just email me and I will help you. Have a great day.